Let us start with the pointers. Pointer stores address of another variable. Let us see. Let us see the example. Character A equal to 1. What happens? The 1 will be stored in the variable A. So A stored with value 1, which got the address of 10. Now we are creating another variable, pointer variable, character star pt. So pt got created. Star pt is character. Understand? Star pt is character. Pt is address. Pt will hold address of another variable. So address of address of A will be stored in pt. Will be stored in pt. So now A got 1 and pt got 10. Now if we ask for star pt, so star pt means 10, what is there? 10, what is there? 1 is there. That you will be getting. What is pt? Pt is 10. Like that you will be getting. What is A? A is 1. Like pt 10. But this is address, this is value. So using pointer we are retrieving the value 1. So this is called a pointer. Pointer is a variable itself which holds address of another variable A. So what is the difference between pass by value and pass by pointer? See, this is a regular program what we do. Already we saw in functions. Void main character A equal to 1. So what happens? A one will no, the 1 will be stored in A. The address A address is 10. Now what we do? We are passing and calling the function which will pass the value 1. So A will not this is a variable what it holds only will be transferred. So 1 will be there. So it's like it will be stored in 1. You can think like that, character x equal to 1, like that you can think. Since it's got passed, x has become 1. So 1 is passed, 1 it has got 1. Now we are checking for the value. What is x? X is 1. What is address of x? It's 14. This is what is there. Now this case, void main void character equal to 1. Same thing, the address is 10. Instead of sending 1 directly, we are passing through the address. So address of A we are passing, which is 10, will be passed and stored in the pointer variable. The pt can hold the value 10. So when we ask for star pt 10 what it has? So 10 has the value 1. So that we will be getting. Star pt is nothing but dereference pointer. The star is nothing but dereference pointer. You will be getting 1. What is pt? Pt is 10. What is a? A is 1. Like that you can tell. So what is passed by value? You are passing the value as a copy. If you do something, nothing will happen. That we'll discuss later in the program. So here we are passing the address. That's all. Next we have a character array. So 1, 2, 3, 0. So what happens when you create an array? This 4 will be placed consecutively in the address 10. Let's take the second example. We are giving some address value 1, 2, 3 and 0 also will be created. Now what we do, we are creating, so this both are same only for see when you say try to make double quote, this is single quote, this is double quote. When you give double quote, automatically it will insert null at the end. Null is nothing but 0, pure 0. So you can write in character form now. When you give double quote, you should give null format, otherwise directly you can get 0 also can be given. So we are creating another character. Say here you should character should come, sorry, character star pt. Okay, now what happens, address of array of 0 will be stored in pt. So what happens, the 10 will be stored over here. Okay, so what in 10 what is there, star pt, 10 star pt is nothing but 1. So what will happen, that will work, the while loop will work. So what happened, what is star pt? No, star pt is 1. What is the address? 10 will be printing. pt plus plus, since it's there no, so it will be incremented by 1, it will become 11. What in 11, what is there? 2. Again that no, so 11 star is nothing but 2. Again this will work no, 11, so no, 2 address is 11. Again we are incrementing, so it will become what? It will become 12. 12 got 3, so 3 no, so this will work, so it will be printing 3 address is no, 12 like that will be printing. Finally what will come? Again we are incrementing, 12 will become 13. 13 what it got? 0. See, we already discussed today, if and while will check for 0 other than 0 only, that will work. So 0 comes, it will not work, it will come out of the loop. The print string is there, this also will print like this, 1 2 3 like that it will be printing. Next, integer array. So character array got no, it will occupy 1 byte. Integer array will occupy 2 bytes, 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 like that, that will be going. Okay, so what will happen? So we will know next integer star pointers there, nothing but integer pointer points to integers. So it will occupy 2 bytes like that. See, first byte, second byte, second variable array of 1, first byte, second byte, third variable 55 66 like that. Address of array will no, 0 will be stored in pt. What is star pt? It's nothing but 1122, this will work. So 1122 address is 10. Again we are incrementing, it will become what? It will jump from 10 to 12, which holds the value 3344. So what happens? So it will be printing 3344, address is 12. Again if we increment, it will jump again by no, 2. So instead of 13, it will go to 14, which is 55 66. It will be printing what? Again the value no, what? 5566 and the address is 14. Finally what happens? We stored with the null character, so when it comes to 16, you know, 0 is there, it will come out of the loop. Next, similarly, long array, it got 4 bytes, it will store to 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, and the next one is 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8. Finally 0 will be there. Now what we do, longs pointer point to the individual values. So value equal to lx we gave, so it will be printing 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Again next when you make pt plus plus, from 10 it will be jumping to 14, so you will be getting the second value 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7. Address is what? No, 14 will be getting. Next again if you increment, it will go to the location 18, you know, it got the value 0, it will come out of the loop. Let us see the programs. See, this is like a simple character. So a got the value h, another we are declaring an pointer variable. So what we do here, address of a is stored in pt. Here the address is, instead of 10, here we got 170. So what happens, address of a, what is the value, will be stored in pt. So pt will be stored with value 170. Now what you do, star pt if you ask, star pt if you ask, nothing but you will be getting h. What is address of this pointer, what it holds? So pt holds 170, which is nothing but a address. Second one is what we do here, instead of keeping over here, we are moving the value to one what? This one, pass by value we are doing. So here already we discussed, here we have one capital H, we are moving the value H to A. If we print the value A, we will be getting H. This is simply we are passing the value, direct value, what? H to A. From X to A we are passing the value. So this is called the pass by value. The value is h. Next one is, here we are passing value by address. So here what we do here, we are passing the, already we have a equal to 1. So a got the value 1. What we do here, we are passing the value to the value address of a. So the address of value will be passed to pt. Pt will be having the value address of a. Now if you make star pt, we will be getting 1. What is pt? Pt is nothing but address of a. This is what is happening. Here see pt equal to 1. The pointer holds the value 170, which is nothing but address of a. So already we discussed address of a is nothing but, so address of a is nothing but pt. So what is, to see some demonstration, it's for a little bit advanced. So what do I know? Star pt equal to 2. 1 I am converting to 2. If you print the value, what is happening? You are coming back. The source got changed. No, you try to get the value a, it will become 2. Bit tough, na? Leave it. So this is a source got changed. So a address is passed. It's collected by pt. If you star pt, you are getting the value of a, nothing but 1. pt is nothing but address of a. Since address of a is you are storing in pt. No, you are changing the star pt equal to 2 na, a itself gets changed, it will become 2. This is a bit advanced, you possible understand that one. Next one is, we are passing value of what? Here same thing, address of array of 0. Where is it's given? Where is array? Oh, array is here, sorry. Array is, I am having double quote h e y, each of single character, end with null character, already we discussed. Now I am passing the address of array of 0. Let it be some kind of 170, so the value will be 655522 like that address. Now I am passing and storing in pt. Star pt is nothing but it will fetch the first character. Again you are making pt plus plus. Star pt, pt plus plus is nothing but e is there. Star pt is nothing but e, so this will run. So star pt is e, the address is one location up. 2 will become 3. Again again incrementing, 3 will become 4. Now the value is y. Finally what is there? Fourth value is nothing but null, already we discussed. So what happens? It will come out of the loop. Now integer pointer. Now you are using for loop, which is simpler than that one. So what we do here in main, we have address of array of 0 store. We have first array, and we have an integer pointer points to the locations, like that we are keeping. Now clear the screen to clear this information. Exists already existing. So we are making for 3 times we are trying to print. So the first value is x. Okay, nothing but star pt, nothing but 1122. So it will be the location will be 70. Again we are incrementing the value, so it will go to 2. So integer is 2 byte, it's a 33 1 byte and 44 1 byte. Again we are incrementing, it will become 174 by the value will be 5566. Now next we go for long array. Long array already we discussed, it's 4 bytes. 1122 3344. Another it's 55 is 1 byte, 66 1 byte, 77 1 byte, 88 1 byte. So it will be stored like a 4 bytes, like that will be stored, already we discussed. Now integer I, long pointer we have, address of array of 0 will be stored to pt. Here the value is 170, first location. Nothing but if we star pt, if we make nothing but it will fetch the first 4 byte value. So we will be getting 11223344, address is 170. Again if we increment it will jump by 4, which is the starting address of 55. So 55667788. Again if we increment it will become 178, which is the third value we will be getting. So this is called a long array. finally we have float pointer 2. So what happened? 1.23, 4.56 and 7. So same thing, only 4 bytes. So we are printing float we gave here, and now so first value is 170, 1.23, 170, 4.56, 174, 7.89, 178. So finally we try with the character string array. String array, character array, both are same. If you end with a null character, that is called a string. So array of HEY star PT we gave. We are adding the value, address of nothing but let it be some value. So why here I am showing the so I am saying address of array of 0 and PT both are same. Yes, see, address of array of 0 and PT is the same. So here star PT, say star PT means it will print one character only, since character array. Array of 0 is what? Both are same only. H, this is also H, this is also H. Suppose instead of that I give string, either you can give starting address, you should give PT or address of array of 0. Both will be getting HH like that.